Hey, earlier today on the 10th of May, I did a live video and I want to show a very quick example that market often gives you a second chance. In this case, you can see this was my initial trade from the live video. I just actually by mistake and it got broken, so that's fine. I can survive that. I control my risk. But the interesting part is that the price went through the fabulous 4 bucks and it went back to the box and retested it. And what I wanted to just give you guys a little bit extra, if you have watched the live video, is that as soon as you get the color change underneath the box, which is here, that means that red is in control, very close to the moving average 20, with the 200 running up here, that right here at this color change here, I can make this one blue, so it's to distinguish from the black ones. Here we go. That as soon as we get this color change here, you enter, and actually you have even another entry possibility here. Again, 1 cent underneath the body of the green candle, and then it goes down even more bars. You could expect 3 to 5 bars. I actually just did an extra live short video where I also put in some extra content from the live video that was missing, where I did a short here when price actually, when I saw this tail bar rejected from the 20 moving average, I put a short down here. But I know now that this position is a little bit too far away from the 200, so I only took 1 candle, and so far that was the clever move, because price produced some kinds of support area down here. But I expected only 1 or 2 candles, so that was cool. But up here, where you still are close to the 200 and close to the 20 moving average, you have a chance of running at least 3 to 5 bars. So if you take the first color change entry here and you count, let's say you count the fat red long elephant bars, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you exit here. And also the second one, if you count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means technically, just by counting the bars, you could have closed down here where I actually closed my very short trade. And that means that if you had followed this methodology, which is just the teaching of Oliver Velez, you could have gotten $2.73 on the first trade and about $2.02 on the second trade without any big problems. So market often gives you a second chance of entry. You just have to be aware of it and look at the price action. Thank you for watching.